if you've been using Mistplay and wondering how to actually redeem your PayPal Cash in 2026. This video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you how the payout system works, how long rewards usually take, and a few important things you should know before cashing out so you don't waste points or run into delays. Mistplay is one of the most searched gaming reward apps because it lets users earn points by playing mobile games. A lot of people specifically look for Mistplay PayPal Cash redemption because PayPal is one of the easiest reward options available. This app is best for casual mobile gamers who already spend time trying new games and want to earn small rewards along the way. First, open the Mistplay app and log into your account. On the main screen, tap the Shop or Rewards section. This is where you'll see all available redemption options, including gift cards and PayPal Cash if it's currently supported in your region. Next, check your available units or points balance. Mistplay uses a points system, so you'll need enough units before redeeming anything. Once you have enough, select the PayPal reward option and choose the amount you want to cash out. You'll then be asked to connect or confirm your PayPal account email. Make sure the email is correct because mistakes here can delay the payout process. After confirming, submit the redemption request. Most users receive PayPal rewards within a few business days, although timing can vary depending on account verification and regional availability. One useful tip is to keep your Mistplay account active and verified to avoid redemption issues later. It's also important to set realistic expectations. Mistplay is not a full-time income source, and earnings depend heavily on how often you play, which games you use, and how reward rates change over time. Results vary from user to user. Overall, Mistplay can be worth trying if you already enjoy mobile gaming and want a simple way to earn occasional rewards. The PayPal Cash option makes the app more flexible compared to standard gift card-only reward apps. If you've tried redeeming Mistplay PayPal Cash in 2026, share your experience in the comments below. And if this video helped you, consider subscribing for more honest app tutorials and reward app reviews.